Hi everyone, I was at the London protest today and just wanted to make a quick video sharing my thoughts about it. It was a really good day, big enthusiastic crowd as usual, although I did feel overall that people are more tired, but at the same time more determined. So no wonder we're tired of this, it's been going on that long, but there was a real sense of purpose, okay, even if it was perhaps a little bit quieter. So we did a 4-hour walk through central London and we finished up outside the Austrian embassy, making our thoughts very clear about the mandate that was discussed in the news yesterday, where they are planning compulsory fees for the whole population. I've no idea how that would be implemented, but it's a disgrace. So, yeah, it was really nice at the embassy, actually. We spent about 20 minutes outside, and as I was filming, an older Austrian lady came up to me and asked me in German if I was Austrian, which I'm not, but she just said to me, "Thank you for coming and supporting Austria." Yeah, so it was really nice. And it was nice today to be part of one of these worldwide protests, knowing it was happening in other countries as well, and feeling that unity and that support, because the world is small and it's really feeling like that to me at the moment. What's happening to other countries and other people in a way is also happening to us. Okay, I also wanted to talk about the eclipse yesterday, November 19th eclipse. It felt very strong to me. I still feel like I don't fully understand the energy as it was happening. So it was a long one, longest one in 600 years, 5 to 6 hours for the total eclipse. I felt very dizzy, exhausted, like quite shaky. And yeah, I'm wondering if this could be the turning point. I feel like this eclipse, what happens over the next couple of weeks is going to come from that. And definitely the Austria thing has shone a light for many people who, to wake them up to the next level. I know I've spoken to a few people who have really been shocked by it and can't believe it's happening. So we shall see. Watch this space over the next 2 weeks. Okay, the other thing I wanted to mention is just how we're communicating with other people in our lives over this issue who we don't necessarily agree with. Really take care to not allow arguments to happen with your, special family and friends, special people in your lives, just because of the government, just because of these psychopaths. They want division, but don't allow yourself to have unpleasant conversations with people over that. Be the better person and just stop it. At the same time, you see, I've put this quote here: when something important's going on, silence is a lie. We do have a duty to speak up at the moment. Staying silent about this does feel like a lie when it's such important information to share. So I just say, choose words that reflect love and unity and peace. And that is the feeling I got today from the protest. Other thing I want to mention is laughter. So find something to laugh about, even if it's just watching something funny. I know it doesn't solve everything, but it really does help to shake off heavy energy. So I'm going to put a link to a song that my sister sent me, which I've been watching several times a day this week. It just makes me laugh every time. I think it's called the Num Num Cat, and sometimes called the Uzbek cat in other clips. But it's just, if you like funny cats, this is for you. Funny cat doing jazz swing music. So have a watch, might make you laugh. Okay, everyone, thanks for listening, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.